everyone, this is Sarah from Learn and Play Tampa Bay, brought to you by the Glazer Children's Museum. Today we are going to be little engineers today as we make our marble run. So our marble run that you see behind me was made by my daughters Nia and Jordana, who decided to pop up right now, as you can see. So for our marble run, it's a really beautiful activity to keep your little ones engaged and independently playing. And at the same time, it requires a lot of testing and a lot of patience. So for this, we're going to need a few things that you may have already at home. Water bottles. The perfect ones are the clear ones. Now, obviously, if you don't have any water bottles, you can use juice boxes, any containers that you have. Just make sure to cut the top and cut the bottom, like so, okay? Make sure who does that? Who does the cutting?
Mommy.
The grown-ups do it. Yes, mommies. You're gonna need some tape.
And daddies.
And daddies. And you're going to need some toilet paper if you have any, okay? Now you can cut the toilet paper in half or you can leave it whole, and it's again up to your kiddos to see what it is that you're going to need in order to do this marble run. So for my little ones who are much older, they're 5 years old, I let them go on ahead and test to see what would be the perfect incline
What's a jingle bell?
with your jingle bell to get the jingle bell ball to go all the way down. Now, obviously, if you have little ones, please assist as much as possible, but make sure to leave the ones at the bottom a little bit loose so that they can manipulate the bottom and see where they want the ball to come out of. Now, for an added challenge, you can also add a receptacle at the bottom so that it can grab the ball at the bottom. So, my little ones are going to show you right now how they tested and retested. And how long did it take, girls?
A long time. 30 times.
30 times that they had to test and retest to find holes, to find sections where they needed to put the bottles together. And again, really great critical thinking skills and really great skills for an engineer. All right? Okay. We hope you enjoy.
This marble.
All right, everybody, we're ready at the testing stage. So we're about to do our final test of our marble run. Okay, so we got our ball. Okay, Jordana's gonna go first. Yeah, it worked! Okay, and now Nia's gonna give it one more test. And ladies, why are we constantly testing?
Because we don't want it to come out.
Okay, just in case, good engineers are always testing.
Yay!
Wonderful, it works. All right, and please let us know how your marble runs turn out. All right, girls, say goodbye.
Bye.
And
And
remember,
make sure
you make sure to follow us at.
Learn and Play Tampa Bay.
Okay, thank you, everybody.